What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, back with another video. You see the title, so you know what we about to talk about. What's good? I'm back. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 400 plus. I don't know if we hit it by then. I don't know, but yeah, I didn't check. But 400 plus. So comment as well. Cause I respond to all my comments. And yeah, let me know what you think about the shoe. I finally got it in from Nike. So just like the mids, this is the lows, and let's get right into it. Y'all was showing love to the video with the mids, so hopefully y'all run up these views as well for this sneaker. Check out my Instagram, check out the main channel. Those two links will be down below. So let's get right into it, and I don't want to make this video as long as the other one, but yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Alright, so off rip, you already know that Jordan trash box, regular black box. This size is a 10.5. You can see it right there. Regular 23 paper, and boom, the diamond Jordan 1 low. Just in case y'all want to know the official colorway, it is black multicolor white. That's what they call it. Obviously, we call it the diamond. I forgot the second part, but yeah, diamond, whatever. Based on the title, you'll know, obviously, I got it. Some people say these are better than the mids. For some reason, on the resale market, these lows did go down, which is crazy. So, yeah, I'm going to have to sell this ASAP. I mean, I'm not in a position to hold every sneaker, so I got to get rid of some inventory. That's the diamond right there. Let's get that thumbnail right there. Boom. A nice little. So the same thing, similar to the mids. The guy's not white. It's like a faded, like holographic color. You can see it if you move it around the light. See right there, it's like holographic. It's not really white. And then you got the Nike logo, similar feature, but it's still leather. The black suede. I feel like that's why the lows are not doing as good as the mids, because the suede, you could dirty it. But some people would think long term this would do better. Not agreeing or disagreeing. I'm pretty sure all these would go up. But like I said, if you don't have capital, you can't be sitting on shoes. If you got capital, you can sit. If not, don't be sitting on shoes. So typical like the mid, has that logo right there. Of course, it got the Jordan Air logo right there with the wing. I did hit this on Nike app, so that works. I was only able to hit one, so whatever. I thought the lows would be more rare since people can't get lows, but I guess lows is, I don't know why it's down in the market. So I might end up making, like, I don't even know, some lunch money on this, if that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these. Did you guys grab a pair for yourself as for a personal, or did you get with the intentions of reselling? Yeah, I'm surprised they didn't put a 23 here. You know how on the little tag they always have the 23, but I guess on this collab or whatever it is, they didn't want to add the 23, which is weird, I guess, but whatever. They make up their mind whenever they want to do stuff. And of course, you know, they got that like coconut icy milk right there on the bottom, the coconut milk. It's not really like icy bottom, but it's like a coconut milk type of deal. If you know about the Jordan 11 Jubilees, then you would know what I'm talking about. So it could get dirty, but not so much compared to icy bottom, but whatever you want to do, that's on you. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think about these. Do you prefer these, or do you prefer the mids? Did you take a L when it dropped, or did you take a dub, a big fat W? And they should still be dropping in stores. If you check certain stores, since they're kind of a brick now, relatively, yeah. I want to know what y'all think. Did you take a W or L? Right now, resale market, if you do want to grab one and you can't find it, you just want to pay a little resale, they're not going for that much. And for personal, for a reseller, yeah. Did you take a W or L? Either way, this is the lows. Let me know if you like the mids better or the lows better. And as resale, long term, what do you think? Do you think they're going to go up? I mean, every sneaker is going to go up eventually, especially in this color block and this color patch with the, I know it's not really white, but y'all understand what's going on. But yeah, let me know, did you take a WL? Do you like these, or do you like the mids better? Or did you totally pass on the whole collection, the lows and mids? Okay, so one little final look. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for being patient with my uploads. I know I've been all over the place, but you guys know I work, and I'm doing other type of business, and all that good stuff. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I just wanted to make this short little video because the sneaker came in yesterday, so I wanted to film it for you guys. Obviously, you guys love the mid video, so I wanted to show you the lows. So I'll see you guys in the next vid. Keep subscribing to the channel. Keep liking the videos. Comment. I'm going to respond to all my comments. And as well, check out the main channel and the Instagram. Those 2 links will be down below in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next vid. Your boy Little Roy's out. Peace.